So the major problem on this will likely be the transformer, because that is what processes the power before it is distributed into the main board of the PABX. So the power goes in through this, and then this transformer processes it, and the PABX board receives the power. So first thing I want to check is to test for continuity between the connector. So let's see, I'm going to set my multimeter to continuity and check that there is continuity on both the live and the neutral legs of this connector here. So my connectors are fine. I am going to look at this transformer right now. First thing we want to do is to disconnect the transformer clip from the board. This